Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gia and I usually make educational and study related content. So I scored 99.8% as a best of 5 in my class 10 CBSE board exams, and in this video I'm going to be giving you tips as to how you can complete revision of your entire portion for all subjects within 1 month. So in this video specifically, I am not going to give you a structured timetable. I'll give you reasons why. But if you want a structured timetable to complete your portions, you can check out my September, October, and November schedules, and whichever suits you the best, you can follow that for 30 days. Now, the reason why I am not giving आपको एक specific schedule is because this is very subjective क्योंकि आपके pre-boards भी happening है right now, so you might not be able to study every subject every day. You would want to study that particular subject before your pre-boards, right? So everyone has different dates, everyone has different portions, everyone has different subjects during different times during their pre-board exams. So I'm just going to tell you how you guys can make your own timetable, and I have a list of points that I will cover so that you guys can do it. Now you guys have around 2.5 months to be precise left till your board exams. That is not that much of time, but there is time. So you guys can still bring your score from year to year, and I'm going to be telling you guys how you can do that also in short in this video. So let's start with your time. So you guys have 31 days in the month of December, or any month when you're watching this video, January or February, you have around 30 days roughly. Okay, so 31 days per day, keep 3 subjects. Like Monday ko I'll do maths, science, social. Tuesday ko I'll do maths, English, second language. Things like that. Every day keep 3 subjects, one chapter each. Now per day I suggest you do 4 hours of studies because it's close to your board exam, and revision ke liye you'll need time. So and pre-boards also are coming, right? So you have exams. So 4 hours would be ideal. I think that's more than enough actually. No need to do more than 4 hours. So one chapter you take one day, or say if the chapter is big, anyways you're going to do revision. Revision is when you've understood the chapter, you've learned it, but you're redoing it again. So one day should be sufficient, but if you have very big chapters like social, then you can take 1 or 2 days to do revision for that particular chapter. So always start with your tough chapters, ठीक है, जो आपको tough लगे, which you don't know properly. Start revising for those because that will be most beneficial for you. Why would you want to revise something that you're thorough in or something that you're good in, right? So start with your tough chapters and go slowly with them. Don't rush through. Okay, it's fine even if it takes 1 or 2 or even 3 days, because it will compensate later on. And what I would suggest is by now आपको term 2 के portions you'll be thorough with that because you've just learned it. So go through term 1 portions. पहले के portions also you do, and you do tough. Now how do you revise? I made a very long video on how to revise and things like that. But step 1 is doing your NCRT, doing your NCRT book back, then going through PYQs and sample papers. So guys, अभी चेन्नई में cyclone Fengal आ गया and it's like raining quite heavily. But today is 30th November and you have a 40% discount on all EduCard sample papers, and I have been suggesting these sample papers ever since I almost started my channel. So you get these sample papers for all subjects, and I'll show you what's there inside it as well. So uske andar you will of course get a book with sample paper questions and the answer key for that. Apart from the sample papers in the books, you will get this proper CBSE exam style के format में question paper which is sealed. So I can suggest that you guys, once you do your revision, once you finish your portions, you sit down, take these papers and use the answer sheets, also proper CBSE answer sheets provided by them. Sit, solve every paper and then check your answers in this book so you'll know where you stand. Now a lot of you guys were also asking me ki, Air 1 kaun tha and all of that. So I just noticed ki Air 1 has also recommended EduCard ke sample papers. So definitely go check out this 40% discount. I'll put the link in the description. You can use that link to get the 40% discount. And 70% of questions came from these sample papers last year. So ensure you solve sample papers both from here and on the CBSE academic website. All links in the description. So thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Do prepare a proper timetable. Try and send a picture to me on Telegram as well. I will try my best to review it. Any doubts, put it in the comment section. I will try my best to respond to as many I can. All the best, keep studying and go ahead with your journey. All the best and bye.